Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Spark Beauty. Our today makeup is based on smoky eye with the tint of blue. आप इस लुक को ट्राई करें एंड कमेंट करके बताएं कि कैसा लगा है. Also, if you like to collaborate with us, then you can DM us on Instagram. Link description box में दिया हुआ है. I'm using plum serum instead of the moisturizer, as my skin is very dry, so I'm using the serum. Now starting the eye makeup, इसीलिए मैं conceal कर रही हूँ. Basically it's a base. I'm using the brown shadow as a base. You can't apply the black directly on your eyes, so I'm giving it a base with a brown eyeshadow, mixing it well. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Now using the black eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution. Mix it well. Applying the concealer in the middle of the eyes, because we will add the other color on it, the blue one. Now adding the blue color on it. So our eye makeup is almost finished. Using the mascara, Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. Now doing the eyebrow using brown kajal. Now finishing it using plum kajal on the upper lid of the eye. Now using the primer and concealer to conceal the pimples on my face. So guys, mix it well using sugar foundation for the high coverage. Blending it with the blender. Now using the Wet n Wild compact to finish the base. So our base is almost done. Now contouring my face using Wet n Wild contouring palette. Now contouring my nose. Contouring your nose is very important to give the sharp look. फिर हम लोग यूज करेंगे प्लम का काजल on the lower eyelid. Using this same kajal on the other side. Now finishing the look with the white kajal to make my look wider. Now using the Master Chrome highlighter This one is very pigmented and I love it. Now using the lip liner before lipstick, क्योंकि हमने आई में ऑलरेडी हैवी मेकअप कर रखा है, so I will go for the lighter brown shade. Using the nude nuance from Maybelline. This one is my favorite shade. Using the blush from Maybelline. So yeah, we are done. I hope आपको ये look अच्छा लगा हो, and if you like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment करना ना भूलें. Thank you for watching.